Hi friend, I'm Alex Howson of Right Medicine. And today I want to give you a quick overview of an important concept for needs assessments in continuing medical education and continuing education for health professionals, CME and CE for short. And that is root cause analysis. What is root cause analysis? Essentially, it's a process to uncover the underlying reasons behind gaps in clinical practice or professional performance. Now, this methodology has been around in healthcare for at least 25 years. It originated in engineering and manufacturing contexts, and it's used widely in public education needs assessments as well as in public and community health. The idea is that you have to find the root cause of a problem in order to implement the best solutions. So by digging deeper to find the root causes in clinical practices, processes, and routines, we can better understand barriers to optimal patient care and determine their impact on patient outcomes. Identifying challenges and barriers tell us what is happening in clinical practice, and root cause analysis tells us why these challenges are happening. So knowing the root causes, educators can develop more targeted, effective education programs that address substantive learning and education needs and address gaps in practice as well as in standards of care. So how does root cause analysis work? How do you do a root cause analysis? Well, there's a few key steps, so let's break them down. One is through interviews. Talking directly with clinicians can help you understand their challenges and barriers. But of course, we don't know what we don't know, so we have to dig a little deeper than the surface response that interviewees give us. So we keep asking why, probing beneath the surface issues to uncover and analyze root causes. And we can do that by reviewing interview data to identify key themes and patterns that we see, and then by prioritizing, determining which root causes are most critical to address in education. And not all root causes can be addressed through CME or CE. And in addition to interviews, there are lots of other tools to help conduct a root cause analysis. For instance, the Fishbone diagram is a specific tool that helps you visualize root causes. The 5 whys is another tool that supports the process of digging deeper into root causes. When do you know you've hit the correct root cause? Well, this is a little like grounded theory in qualitative research. If you're repeatedly hearing or seeing the same comments or frustrations or patterns, that's often a signal that there's a trend there. Qualitative researchers call this saturation. What are the benefits of a root cause analysis? How does it inform education strategy and content? Well, first, root cause analysis can help us explain problems versus just describing them. And so it can help educators create very specific, targeted education interventions. And a root cause analysis approach helps educators link the needs assessment to the assessment of outcomes in a more kind of direct and integrated way. And so it creates a continuum of assessment for ongoing improvement. So that's a really quick look at root cause analysis and how it can transform needs assessments in CME and CE. Are you using root cause analysis? Let me know in the comments what's working and what needs refinement. See you next time.